Hey family, welcome. Welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. Today we are going to be looking at making some tamarind syrup. Not syrup, tamarind juice. But what I got some tamarinds from my local Spanish store, and we are going to be making a little bit of tamarind juice today. So these are the tamarinds. We're just peeling them. I have some that I already soaked, so I will show you how to make the juice, but I'm just showing you how I would peel off these. I would just peel all of them and then just take out the vein, so because you don't want lost stringiness in your juice. And I would do that with all of these. Then I would just put them in a cup like this, and I have some hot water here. I would take my hot water and pour it on them, let it soak overnight. So I had some soaking for the last 24 hours or more so. So that's what I would normally do. So I'm going to bring out the ones that I had. So these are my tamarinds that I had soaking to make the juice. So I'm going to just get this cup. And I'm going to be using some cane sugar to make my juice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a little bit of cane sugar in my cup, in this cup. Then I'll just pour a little warm water over it to melt it quickly. And I just wanted to share this with you. I wasn't making it, so I just said, let me share this with you. So that's this is basically going to be my syrup that I'm going to make my juice with. Then I have some, this is my vanilla essence, but this is homemade vanilla essence, or vanilla extract I should say. So I'm going to put in like 2 of those. Normally what I would do is let this soak up with some spice, some cinnamon, but I forgot to put the cinnamon in it. So I'm going to put it in after. So, alright, so I have that soak in. Check something. I'm going to use this spoon to get a little bit more of the pef off. If you wanted to, you can put this in the blender or something so that more of the pef could come off, and then you could strain it. But I just soak it, and I'm just trying to get off more of the pef so that we could get our tamarind juice. So I put 1 cup of sugar in there. And I'm just going to pour. I already put the extract in it. Just pour my tamarinds in there. Wash my hands because I want a little bit more of the pef out. So I'm just gonna try to get out a little bit more. It was in the fridge, so it's really cold. See all these seeds coming from the bet we could get some more juice out of this as well. I'll soak it a little bit more after I'm done here, because we could get some more to this. All right. This is basically our tamarind juice. Sprinkle a little cinnamon in it. But you could soak it with the cinnamon, as I told you. But this is it. Let me taste it and see if it has enough sugar. Oh, this tastes good. Right, I'm gonna put a little bit more. And I am gonna put in the body of this video what tamarinds are good for, so you would know what they're good for. I don't want to have to list them out because I don't want to make this video too long. Alright, so our tamarind juice is all done. It tastes so good. I'm just going to, the spout on this thing is so small, so I'm just going to put it in this bottle. I don't make it a mess. And then I'm going to get me some more tamarins to make some more juice. So this is it. You have an awesome day. And now you have your tamarind juice. So good. It's very good. I'm going to put that other one to soak so you can get a little bit more to there. So continue to spread the love and let your light shine.